Welcome to the QUAHL network. Now that you're here, you're probably asking yourself, what needs to happen for my quahls to have real value? Well, the first step is to get as many people as possible to join the network. We need your help to make this happen. If you invite those you care about, they will get quahls themselves, the network will grow, and so will the likelihood that quahls will become valuable. Let's begin. Here, you can find your personal invite link. Share it with those you want to invite. But pay attention, the clock is ticking. You reserve additional quahls for friends you invite and verify before the deadline. Remember, to reserve your quahls, your registration needs to be verified by the person who invited you. Please remind them to do so. Once the friends you invited sign up, you will see them on your dashboard, and you'll need to verify their registration. Only invite people you know and can personally verify. This is how we create a network of trusted users. Naturally, most people would suspect a link promising free rewards. It may remind them of a pyramid scheme, even though users don't need to pay anything. They may raise privacy concerns. You can explain that they only need to provide their name and email address, and those cannot be used for any other purpose. Adding a personal message explaining why the QUAHL network made sense to you may help alleviate such concerns. Thanks again for joining the QUAHL network. Together, we can make this happen. Welcome to the future of payments.